friends, good morning. Today's chapter is fire, friend and foe. You all know what is fire. So in this chapter we will study कि it is both. If it is used in a controlled way, it becomes a friend, and if it is used in uncontrolled way, it becomes a foe. Foe means enemy. Okay? Early man must have found fire to be dangerous and frightening. Fire must have been a mystery for an early man, but it is known today that it is a result of chemical reaction. So you all know how the fire is invented, and early men when strike two stone together they got the fire. It was mysterious for them. बस वो हो गया था, लेकिन the main reason behind that fire is unknown to the early men. But nowadays we are aware कि what is fire and how it is created. We know that it is a chemical reaction. When oxygen present in the air combines with carbon and hydrogen present in the fuel, energy is released and in the form of heat and light, and this is what fire is. So nowadays we know what is fire, how it is formed, the chemical reaction, and the chemical reaction of this is when oxygen present in the air combines with the carbon and hydrogen present in the fuel. Energy is released in the form of heat and light, and this is how the fire is formed. This is the chemical reaction of it. You must have studied in chemistry. To make fire fuel, heat and oxygen is needed. Wood, coal, gas are fuel. Oxygen is available in air, but to cause fire, heat is essential. How we will make a fire fuel? By heat and oxygen, but for that heat is also required. For example, a piece of paper does not catches fire until it is supplied to it. ऐसे तो हम बोलेंगे कि in our atmosphere there is oxygen, hydrogen and carbon, तो fire होनी चाहिए हर जगह. But when a fire is supplied to it, this combination catches the fire. Every fuel burns at a particular temperature, which is called flash point. So this is main thing. What is flash point? Flash point is when a fuel burns. जब उसको एक पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर मिलता है, पर्टिकुलर हीट मिलती है, एट द टाइम पर्टिकुलर फ्यूल बर्न्स, एंड व्हेन दैट फ्यूल बर्न्स, दैट पॉइंट इज नोन एज फ्लैश पॉइंट, एंड दिस फ्लैश पॉइंट इज डिफरेंट फॉर ईच एंड एवरी फ्यूल. हर फ्यूल का फ्लैश पॉइंट अलग होता है, क्योंकि हर फ्यूल को जलने के लिए इट नीड्स एन टेम्परेचर. एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम तक वो हीट होता है, देन ओनली इट बर्न्स. सो दिस इज नोन एज फ्लैश पॉइंट और किडलिंग टेम्परेचर. फायर, अ फ्रेंड एंड अ डेंजरस एनिमी. It can be a friend and it can be an enemy. How it is a friend and how it will become a enemy, this we will study. Fire is a boon if it is kept under control, but can be dangerous if it goes out of it. Okay, when fire is controlled, it is in our control, हमारे अनुसार वो है, means जैसा हम चाहते हैं, then it is a boon. Boon means वरदान. Naturally it is a वरदान to us. We are making our food, everything is done with the fire only, and if it becomes uncontrolled, then it can create a lot of dangers. It is used in our house daily for cooking food, burning candles, and so on. But if it goes out of the control, it called damage to life, house, and even forest. जब हम खाना बनाते तो इट इज़ अवर कंट्रोल ना, हम उसको कम ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं, ऑफ कर सकते हैं. बट व्हेन इट इज़ अनकंट्रोल, लाइक द फायर ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट, इट कैन cause a lot of danger. Fire can be controlled by taking away any three of the things required for burning. It can stop immediately by taking away the fuel. So this is the way how we can control the fire. We can take away the fuel. It can also be controlled by cutting the oxygen supply. For this, many a times blankets are thrown over the burning object. You must have experimented in lower classes that oxygen is very essential for burning. Or maybe you have done with that, you had burned the candle and covered the candle with a glass. And after a time, it just stopped. Why? Because the oxygen available in the glass, जब तक oxygen था, जब तक वो burn किया, and as soon as the oxygen finished, the candle also stopped. That means oxygen is essential for burning, and we can stop fire by cutting the supply of the oxygen. कहीं पे भी बहुत आगे तो हम वहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन की सप्लाई बंद कर देते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ there is a place when there is a fire, we will just throw a blanket over that. तो जब ब्लैंकेट ढक देंगे तो ऑक्सीजन की सप्लाई बंद हो जाएगी and it just stop. Another way is to reduce the flash temperature. This can be done by spraying water which lowers down the temperature. We know that the flash point of the fire, and to lower down the temperature, जब temperature low हो जाएगा तो आग अपने आप रुक जाएगी. For that we can just throw the water over the fire. Here is one chart which I have given you how to put out fires. Starvation of fuel sources. A fire requires fuel to burn. If you can starve the fire of fuel, it will die out. Remove or turn off the fuel. Smoothing of oxygen. A fire requires oxygen to burn. If you remove the oxygen, the fire is more controllable. Cooling of heat sources. A fire requires a source ignition to burn. If you cool the heat, then it will die. Then the third way, the two I have discussed: cut out the supply of the oxygen, lower down the flash point or the flash temperature. The third way, however, water cannot be used to put out an electrical fire or an oil fire. Carbon dioxide extinguisher is the best way to control electrical fire. If there is a electric fire, at that time you can't put the water, current lag jayega. So at that time what is required? This carbon dioxide is required to lower down the fire. Here is a fire triangle, fuel oxidizer. This you can read it out by yourself. Now, what happened in earlier days? The people are not so aware of it, and we are not having so much of facilities. So how the people get rid of this fire? What they did, early men used to form human chain and pass buckets of water from the pond or well to the glaze. Okay, so glaze means the area where they are having a very big fire, At what they did, they just stand in a line. Human chain is formed up to the pond, river, well, source of the water, and from there they just give bucket full of bucket to one. They just pass one, and just they throw the water on the fire. In this way, they used to stop the fire. These days, there are trained personnel to handle this. The trained team of firefighters is called fire brigade. Nowadays, we are having fire brigade. We just call it, they come and they just stop the fire. They are skilled people to handle all kinds of fire. They have the knowledge of first aid as well as and are able to provide immediate help to the people suffering from burn injuries or from the effect of the snow. They are trained people. They get the training how to put off the fire, and not only the fire, to the person who are injured in the fire, they have the facilities, they are trained, they give them the first aid, give them the first aid who are suffering from the fire as well as from the smoke of the fires. Nowadays we are having a lot of techniques to put off the fires, but in early days there are not much. Okay, student, discovery of fire has been a great boon to mankind. Fire is worshipped as God in many cultures around the globe. It is a dear friend. It can be used properly but can turn dangerous if it goes out of control. So actually the fire is a boon for mankind. It is a vardhan to mankind. क्योंकि फायर के बिना वी कांट इमेजिन अवर लाइफ नाउ अ डेज. हमारा हर काम फायर से ही होता है. ओके, सो इट बिकम्स अ वरदान टू अवर मैनकाइंड. इवन इन सम कल्चर फायर इज worshipped. In our India also, whenever we are doing puja, fire is needed. दिया जलाते हैं, हवन करते हैं. In out of the India also, the fire is worshipped. They just worship the fire. So it is a very friendly thing to us. It is really a friend to a mankind if it is used properly in a controlled way. But when it goes out of the control, it just causes danger. It is very dangerous to us. So I think you understand this chapter. The main thing is that only the fire is a friend to us. Not only friend, it is a dangerous enemy also to us. If we use the fire properly, it is our in our control, then it is a friend. And if it becomes uncontrolled, it becomes a dangerous enemy to the mankind. Thank you, student. Have a nice time.